Hi everyone, this is Akshay and you're watching Tech Bander. So this time we are having the Pi Beta Update 3 on our phone. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can update from Beta version 2 to Beta version 3. Well, if you go to the settings and software update, you will find that if you have not registered in the Beta update, you will not able to enjoy the Beta 3 update on your phone because you have not registered for the Beta program. So how to get the Beta 3 update on your phone if you have not registered it? Well, you can find the files for S8 and S8 Plus in the description below. Go and download the files from there. The procedure will be the same as you updated in the Beta 1, Beta 2. So the process remains same for the Beta 3 also. Well, I think this is the last Beta update before a stable version. Apart from that, most of the bugs has already been fixed in Beta version 2. So if you download the Beta version 3, you will find that the stable Samsung Pay update and stable Samsung Pass. So if you want those updates, you can definitely go for Beta Update 3. Apart from that, the main benefit of updating to Beta 3 is that now you can enjoy the security update of 1st Feb, which is pretty great. It will not void your warranty, it will not trip your Knox, and if you have not downloaded any Beta update, you cannot directly jump to the Beta Update 3. So you need to go and update the Beta version 1, 2 and 3. So here are the videos on the card which will guide you everything, how to update it and how to roll it back. Go and check that video out. So first thing is that you need to turn your phone off. So once it has been turned off, you need to enter into the recovery mode. For that, press the volume up button, the Bixby button and power up button at the same time. Just let go the power button and you will find that you are in the recovery mode. So hold the volume up button and Bixby button. Go apply update from SD card and you will find the update here. This is the third update and I'm gonna update it. And let's see whether we are gonna successful in this update. So this update is around 500 MB. So you can see here that the script succeeded and it has successfully patched the current file. And so the installation from the SD card has been completed successfully. Now it's gonna restart your phone and you'll find that you are inside your phone. So now it's optimizing the apps and this will take a little bit of time. And once it's done, you can use your phone as normally you are doing. And there will be no data loss if you apply this update. And also, I'm pretty sure that it will not trip your Knox or something like that. So it will not void your warranty also. So that's pretty great. So all the methods which I've told you till now will not void your warranty, will not trip your Knox and will not delete your data if you use everything correctly and as I have said in the video. So the security patch from 1st Jan 2019 has been changed to 1 Feb 2019, which is pretty great. And we have moved from ZS-AC to ZS-AI. Let me show that everything works well. So the camera app is working pretty great. If you want, you can even go for super slow motion and there will be no problem in that. So all the lagging and everything has been removed. And if you want more videos like this, stay tuned to Tech Bander. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. This is Akshay signing off.